guys, it's your friend Porksocky Plays, and today we are doing part 2 of Spain, or should I say Iberia, because that's what Spain and Portugal are called. Now, today we'll be doing the Balearic Islands, this part of Morocco, first part in Africa, and Portugal. Now, the blocks you'll require is your primary black block, primary yellow block, primary green block, secondary yellow block, say primary red block, secondary red block, primary blue block, and primary white block. Let us begin with these islands. Minorca, I don't know all the names. Majorca, Minorca, and the third one. Now, for tutorials, you will need to do the first part. And to begin, we go to this 2 right here and build out 6 with your replacement block. Then on the 7th one, place a black concrete. And then you just want to make a circle about the corners, but on the top right one, put a corner. And then from there, you want to go and go 4 out and 1 up to make a kind of L shape. And then above that, put 1 black concrete and then break your replacement thing. And then you want to make that a 2. And then you want to make a 4 gap here. And then you want to go down right by 2, down left by 2, and then up left by 1. And then finally, from this one here, you want to go 1, 2, 3, and then go 1 out to make another L. Then place a black concrete there. And basically do the same thing you do over there. The only difference is the corner's going to be on the bottom bit instead of the top bit there. So you're going to put a 3, make that arrow pointing back over there. And then you want to put a diagonal 2 doing this so it makes an enclosed 1. Now, how to colour is you just do it all in yellow. It's just all yellow. Or your primary yellow block, just put it all in yellow. And there's the Balearic Islands. Now we come over here to this bit here, to the one at the bottom of Spain. And then you just build 1 out and then put a black concrete there. And then, if you're wondering, this is Morocco, Spanish Morocco. So we have this bit there, just 1 square off there. Then you go down left by 2, make that final one a 2, and then make a 4 gap here. And go down left by 1, make that a 3, and then make that a T with a long thing. 3 there, on top of the 3 there. Then go down right by 1, make that 3, down right by 4, make that final one a 2, up right by 1, and then up left by 2, make that one a vertical 2, and then just so you have 3, you want 3 vertical 2s, and going back towards this point, and then up left by 2, and then you should have finished Spanish Morocco. And how you colour this is, it's just all red. Or your primary red block, not secondary, primary. Like this. Anyway, let's go on to Portugal now. Kind of zooming around the place. So, if you've done this 5, which the Spanish tutorial, which you must do, then what you got to do is go down left by 1, make that go down by 1, make that a 4, down left by 1, make that a 4, down left by 1, make that a 2, down left by 1, make that 1, 6, down right by 3, make that one a 3, down left by 1, make that one a 5, and go down right by 1, make that, and then just reconnect it to this arrow bit. Now, how you want to colour this is, you go to this end of this arrow thing pointing towards Spanish Morocco, and you just put a green line here, and then a red line next to it. You see I'm stopping because there's a symbol. And then roughly here, well, on this one here, there, you want to put a line of 4 blocks. Secondary yellow block. And then you want to basically make a circle by going up right by 1, then up right by another 1, making that 5. Then go up left by 2, make down a 4. Then down left by 2 and make that final 5. And down right by 1 to make the circle. And then you want to basically, from there, following your line, put 1 green and 1 red next to each other. And then next to that, put 2 of your secondary red block. And then 2 of your white block. Primary white block. 2 primary blue block. And 2 of your primary white block. And then just surround that with your secondary red block. Just ignore these 2 corners and the rest you should do to make a kind of symbol shape. And above that, you put 1 green and 1 red. Make sure you're staying in line with that. And then after the gold, you just put a line of 3 until you hit there. And how you colour the rest is red on this side, green on this side, including in the symbol. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and I see you in the next country.